We've got another member in the group named Aaron. He started with a fake guru. So he got tricked into buying a course from these guys. I'll drop their name. We can cut it out if we need to, but KT9, bunch of con artists basically. And what they did is they had a bunch of fake coaches who had no experience, and they would charge you a ton of money to speak to these guys. And I was a lot more vocal. Whenever I'd see this, I'd call them out because I could tell right away that they didn't know what they were doing. But Aaron signed up, gave them money, and really was struggling because of it. And when I started calling them out and he would see my content, he was gun shy. He was like, man, I've already been taken advantage of once. How do I know you're the real deal type of thing? And I got on a private call with him and I showed him my brands and I said, look, I'm legit. I'm one of the few people really selling that's really doing this. And I'm happy to help you. And I gave him a discount because of the fact that he was ripped off. I gave him a discount into the inner circle. Now, this is going back maybe 4 or 5 years already. Since then, Aaron has grown his own multi-million-dollar brands. Not only that, he started helping out. He became super active in the inner circle and he started helping out other sellers with their ads. So he would jump on calls. He would answer questions for people. He's hosted several like inner circle calls that I've had to miss. And he's built up his own agency at this point where he's one of the most affordable, knowledgeable, giving back, abundance mentality guys you'll ever meet. And now he has a multi-million-dollar agency and a multi-million-dollar business. And it all started when he got ripped off by some con artists trying to teach him how to start this dream of creating your own brand on Amazon. So it's never too late. Don't give up. Just because you had a bad experience, you had a failure, you learned from the wrong person, whatever it was, just get in with the right group, surround yourself with other successful people, and it'll happen.